What is up, guys? Welcome to this new POV drive in the little Suzuki Swift. So you guys asked for it and I'm delivering. So usually POV is all about the driving experience behind a car, you know, so it's much more suitable towards a performance car, not really a normal budget car or any car that's not necessarily a performance car. But I think it will be really cool running around the streets. I almost said city streets. This is not really a city, it's just a small town. So I think it will be a nice kind of scenic drive, driving through a typical South African suburban area, I guess I can call it. But yeah, I'm not going to be taking some Apex because yeah, that's not what this car is about. But yeah, kids playing around on the street, should be careful in case one of them runs into the road and all. People are wondering what is going on right there. Why does this guy have a camera on his head? Well, it's just for YouTube, nothing to see here. But yeah, this is very relaxing. I can just have my arm right here on the armrest, which is on the door, and just drive in a very nice way, in a very relaxed manner. So we'll just go down this way. The clutch distance on these small cars is very hard to modulate because it's a very small distance on the clutch, so it does stall here and there. I won't lie, I think I've stalled it like twice ever since we came here, but it's not too bad. I've driven cars with a much worse clutch modulation, but other than that, it's great. Nice sunset out here, looks really beautiful and all. But yeah, driving away with a very big and quite prominent Suzuki logo right there. I like the fact that it's metallic and very chromy, so you can't miss it in any way. Oh, there's one thing I forgot in the review, of which you're going to watch after this POV video. I've just filmed the review video, is that the air vents around here have a kind of chrome or metallic surround, which is very nice in a budget car. Usually everything is all plastic. Everything is in fact plastic in here, but it's nice to have some contrasts with that little very nice Tiguan pre-facelift. Lovely, I love those. So yeah, you guys tell me, how do you feel about these kinds of POVs? Should I leave it to the performance cars, or should I also do these little budget cars and all? Do you guys enjoy them? Yeah, this man is like, what the hell is going on there? What do you have on your head? Like I said, nothing to see here, just a little DJI action camera shooting or filming a POV drive. Oh, actually, there's a very nice McLaren 650S and Ferrari 458 Spider in here. Very nice. Oh, and I think Mercedes AMG GTS in solar beam yellow. So the guy who lives there has some really nice cars. Some of the nicest cars around here. So yeah, some horrible potholes here and there, but nothing too bad. VW Polo, you could say this is one of the contenders against this car, but the Polo is significantly more, so it's quite more expensive compared to this, because VW is kind of a premium brand compared to something like Suzuki and all. But yeah, if you can't afford the Polo, this is a very... I actually know the guy that I just passed here. I need to call him. Wi-Fi still connected. Okay, I'm just gonna try call him. I don't know if he's online. Oh, you guys shouldn't see his number. Don't go stealing this guy's number, please. Okay, it's not ringing. Bro, did you see me?
Yeah, I saw you now.
Where are you going? Yeah?
Where you going?
I'm just shooting a little video, so I'm just driving around here. What about you?
I'm fine. You call me when you're done, but it's just that I might go to Davis Cook. I don't know yet.
Okay, I'm actually done. Do you wanna, should I come say hi or something?
Sorry?
I'm saying I'm actually done. Should I come say hi or something?
Wait, you can wait at the park.
At the park. Okay, I'll drive up to the park. No stress.
Yeah, are you at the bottom side or the
I'm on. Okay, I'm gonna go to the top side. I guess I should call it.
wait, bro?
Huh?
Yeah, it's fine now, wait.
Sharp. Oh well. Oh, here's the pre-facelift. Yes, there's the pre-facelift. Nice. I was actually talking about it in the review. There's the pre-facelift. Very nice. It's crazy when you start driving a certain car, you start noticing them on the road. When the car is not involved in any way in your life, you actually don't get to notice them. But now, because I'm driving a Suzuki Swift, I actually see a lot of them on the road. Oh, hey, mate. Nice car, I know. Ooh, this is a little bit steep. I'm in third gears. Okay, it pushed through. I thought it was going to struggle, but hey, we made it. Let's go. But yeah, I'm really hoping you guys enjoyed this video. Very different. Probably not as exciting as the usual stuff I do. I can't speak anymore, but I guess it's something. But yeah, until next time, guys, that's cheers from me.